Okay, right now we are going to do a couple of functions like left, right, mid, trim, find, length, etc. So how they work actually? Let's suppose this is a list of state codes and their respective name, and I want the state code, state name, and their respective zip could be delimited. The same function we can do through text to column also, but text to column is as it's not as dynamic as left, right, mid, trims are. Fine. So through this function you can delimit your text as per your convenience. Fine. Let's suppose this is the first text. AKA is my state code, Alaska is state name, and 91697 is my zip code. So I just want to delimit them. So how, let's see how it's been work over there. So I know the state code, state name, and zip code are delimited through space. So first of all I have to find space. So let's see how finds work over here. So let's suppose I have to find space. So for that I'll use find function, find, and let's suppose this is for space in this particular text. Okay, so in this particular text I'm having space on fourth position, third position, and so on. Fine. So I want the state code, so I can use left function over here. So is equals to left, this is a text, and number of characters. So left function, what it will do, it will fetch the text character. This is the value of that character, mean to say it will fetch 4 character, the first 4 character from left side. Fine. So if I'll just enter over here, so we have AKA and so on. So over here we have got the state code, but this state codes contain your space also. Fine. So what I have to do, I have to eliminate spaces also, means we have to trim this. Fine. So for that I'll use function trim. So is equals to trim this one. If I'll just drag this formula, so we have used find function, we have used left function, we have used trim function, and we have got the state codes also. Fine. So right now I want the name of that particular state. So for that I have to use mid function. So how mid work? So first of all I have find first space, and right now I have to find second space also, so that I will take the between value or between text, I can fetch it out. Fine. So for that I'm just checking out what will be the second space. So for that I'll use find function once again. I have to find space, but if I start over here, so it's always find from, it's work from left to right, so it will find again the fourth space, which is not true. Fine. So I have to find this space, this particular space. So for that, if I just mention over there, okay, I'm just adding one value over there, plus 1. Fine. So what I do over here, this value plus 1, mean to say I need to find a space, but my starting should be from 5th character. Fine. So let's see how it's work over here. So is equals to find, I have to find space in this particular text, but start should be from this number. Fine. So it will find your space, but start from 5th character. So mean to say your next space will be on 11th position, 12th position, and so on. Okay. So right now I can use mid function, but for that mid function, how it's been work over there. Firstly let's see how mid function over here. So is equals to mid my text, my start position, and after that number of characters. So we don't have the number of characters, mean to say for Alaska I need 6 character, but I don't have 6 value over here, so that I can take mid value. So mean to say I have to minus up from this value to this value. so that I could find out the difference. Fine, so for that, this is my second space minus this is my first space, whatever. Fine, so this is the difference with me. Fine, so for that I will use mid function is equals to mid. This is my text. Now my start number is this one, and this is my number of characters. Fine, so I have find out state name also. Fine, even though I can make it trim also, sorry, is equals to trim. So we have state name and so on. For I'm just making it little shrink. Right now I have to find state code. So if I just calculate the total length, length, sorry, length, if I could calculate the length of this whole text, so it's 16. Fine, so if I'll just minus up 16 minus 11, so mean to say I could have found out my right value. So again I have to take difference. So this minus this, so this is the character, and over here I can use right functions. So is equals to right, this is the text and these are number of characters. Fine, so I have find up my zip code also, even though I can make it again trims of also trim, or I can convert them into values is equals to values if they are text values. Fine, so I have find out my first name, my middle name and my last name. So what I'll do as of now, I'll just merge them. Fine, I'm just taking copy of it so that I can just show it up to you how the formula merging works actually. Fine, so this is my final output. Go over here, press F2 just to edit that cell. It's been linked with C30, so go onto C30, pick the entire formula, copy, escape, go over there, paste it over there. Fine, so link has been broken as of now. So go to find, copy from here, go over there, just paste it over there. Fine, so let's see, it's been broken. So I'm just dragging this formula, so my first name gets completed. Coming on to the second name, fine, it's with H30, go over there, pick the entire formula, copy, go over there, paste over there. Fine, again click over there, it's with G60, go over there, copy and paste over there. Again click over there, it's been with F, copy the same, paste it over there. Go over there, it's been E30, sorry, pick it up, copy. E30 we have 3 times E30, pick it up, replace it up, replace it up. I think I've done something wrong. Okay, I'm just checking out. Go over there, click the entire formula. It's been 31. It's been working. Plus 5. I'm just checking out. Okay, coming over here. It's been linked with this one. Copy here and paste it over there. Okay, and coming on to this one. And just paste it over there. Something incorrect. Oh, sorry. Paste it over there. Coming on to this one. Just make its copy. Paste over there. In place of L30. Again coming over there. Let's link with this one. Make its copy. Paste it over there. Place of K30. Fine. So again coming over there, it's linked with J30. So again press F2. Make it copy. Press F2. Place in place of J30. Fine. So if you see, okay, I'm sorry, it's still been linked with someone. So it's linked with this one. Make its copy. So just paste it over there. Again press F2. Again it's been linked with someone. So copy. It's been E30. Paste it over there. Again it's linked with someone. It's linked with this one. So just make its copy. Sorry. Just make its copy. Fine, and paste it over there. Fine. So I think it's been covered up. And just drag this formula. Control D. Just drag this formula. Control D. I'm just checking it out. Yes, it's been okay. It's been okay. Fine. So what I'll do over there, I just delete this one, delete even this one, delete even this one. So these are my state names. Sorry, state code. These are my states, and these are their respective zip code. Just opening up. Fine. So even you can just eliminate this one. Fine. So for first name you have this formula. Just making its copy over here. So this is for first name. Going over there. Sorry. This is a code meant for middle name, and this is the formula meant for your right name. Fine. I hope you have understand. It's a bit difficult, but it's good enough. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.